Okay, let's now do a wrap-up. After all the progress we've made and the information we've uncovered, I'll clue you in to a little secret about mobile marketing. It's simple, but it really isn't easy to put together. Taking the time, investing the effort, and doing what will seem most of the time like a whole lot of work is the hard part. Behind every effort you make, every connection you make, there needs to be a smooth current of discipline that will guide you through it. Now that you know what your priorities are, it's time to start putting your plan into action. Formulate your elevator speech. Although the elevator speech is most typically a tool for salesmen or traditional professionals, there is something incredibly empowering about being able to powerfully and concisely describe what you're doing and what makes you significant in a sentence or two. Come up with a simple sentence or two that clearly states what your business is, who it's reaching, and the strategies used to implement your mobile marketing initiatives. The mobile marketing mission statement. After you have drafted your elevator speech, your next move is to specifically spell out your mobile marketing mission statement. Include all of the elements of your mission, what you will measure, deadlines, accountability, and other components that serve to make your efforts that much more real to you and easier to explain to others. Develop a marketing plan. If you want to take yourself seriously, it doesn't hurt to have a marketing plan in place. While this is not a simple task by any means, it can create the framework and foundation for a wildly successful business initiative. Thank you, and we hope this will be able to help you to get your own mobile marketing campaign up and running successfully.